guys for being here. Alam ko medyo short notice. I really want to thank you for making time for me, no? Today. Alam ko lahat kayo ay may mga ginagawa, but I'm very, very happy to see all of you here. Today, it's a very special day because 25 years ago ay nilabas natin yung awiting Pagdating ng Panahon.
Una kong narinig ang Pagdating ng Panahon, 2001. Sa radio, sabi ko nga earlier, sa DZWB, kay Kuya Germs, and then back-to-back yun ang show ni Miss Inday Badidan.
Sabi ko nga if it weren't for the fans na sobrang minahal yung kanta at in-known yung awit na ito, siguro, I don't think I'd be here.
Alam kong di mo makita, narito lang ako.
It reminds me of a person whom I love the most. After we got separated, and nasa mind ko na someday, somehow, we will meet again.
So it's like, kung hindi siya dumating ngayon, that's okay, may pag-asa pa. You can always hold on to hope. And I always believe na you cannot rush art because masterpiece takes time.
Ng panahon, baka ikaw rin at ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo.
Kanina ko lang narinig kay Ice na sinabi niya na yung song is actually meant for parang sa middle child ba ganun. Kanina, yun yung nag-validate niya, binulong ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, salamat na narinig ko yun. Kasi narinig ko yung song before. Sabi ko, bakit parang si mom ko yung ano ko? Kasi feeling ko dati, favorite yung ate ko, hindi ako.
Hindi pa siguro bukas, di ba rin ngayon? Malay mo balang araw, dumating din yun.
Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Kasi we are working with children, mga children in conflict with the law, children at risk. Most of them were saying na kaya sila napunta sa ganong situation dahil nagkulang yung pagmamahal na naramdaman nila sa parents nila. So, ayun, parang naisip ko lang sana yung mga parents, they would find time.
Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin.
Siguro yun, hearing from you guys that, that you felt what I really wanted all of you to feel. That not just nag-iba yung boses or anything, but the growth in the storytelling, and that the story now is coming from a different layer of myself. I really appreciate that, guys. Maraming salamat. Sobrang, it's affirming. Maraming salamat po, guys, again for making time today. Salamat po. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating munting salo-salo.